Hello and welcome. In this video demo, I'm going to show you how to install ublock on SeaMonkey version 2.53.1. Click on Help, select Release Notes, scroll down, click here, right mouse click on XPI file, click Save Link Target As, save this file. Once the file is saved, go to File, Open File, select XPI file that you just downloaded and click Open. Select ublock origin and then Install Now. Click on Open Add-on Manager. ublock origin is now installed. Restart your browser. Now go to YouTube. As you can see, there is no ad.